Please take your seat now. Thank you so much.
Principal
Una na kita ulit.
Loina Diaz,
Nakunak kita nun
and the other Board of Advisors,
Di ba?
Mr. Gamboa,
You are making faces.
Doon pa yun. Hindi dito.
For representation
Dito yung ano.
Mas pogi siya ngayon. Kunan mo siya ngayon.
Kaya kinunak
Once
kita.
again, we'd like to call the attention of Mr. Gamboa. Miss Gamboa.
Making
Mr.
faces.
and Mrs. Gamboa, Miss Representative
Kaya kinunak kita. Kinunak si Mirna.
Para malayo ako sa demonyo.
Colonel Roga, can we call him
Lalayo ka kay Al.
Colonel Corona, please.
Lalayo ka kay Al.
Hindi, ikaw yata yun.
Po.
Okay.
We will now proceed with the
Pareho kayo sa
presentation of the awards for the following individuals who have made great contribution to the society.